Hello, my name is Jimena.
And my name is Natalie. Life is so busy and you have plans.
At IRSC, we want to help you reach your professional goals by making it easier to register for classes.
First, be sure you've met with your advisor to set up your academic plan.
Then, you can register for your own classes with the help of this very short step-by-step tutorial. Oh, and try this trick. Open another tab on your browser, keep this video tutorial on one page so you can switch back and forth while following your academic plan and choosing your courses.
Now that you're logged into your My Pioneer portal, we're going to go to the left-hand side and select Workday. Now that you're on your Workday account, we're going to go to the Student Academics Hub. On the Hub, you'll want to review your holds. If there are any holds, make sure you take care of those before continuing. Now we're going to go to Planning and Registration. Select My Academic Plan. If you do not have an academic plan set up or it's not updated, please stop here and schedule an appointment with your assigned advisor. If you do have an academic plan set up, we can go ahead and create a saved schedule. Select the term in which you're registering. Label your saved schedule. Select which section or meeting patterns, days and times, you prefer to take your courses. And select OK. And now select Done. Once registration opens, you'll go back to Planning and Registration, select Saved Schedules, enter the term, review the saved schedules that you've created, and click Start Registration. Verify you've selected the courses you want, and click Register. You are now registered for your semester. If you have any questions, please reach out to your assigned advisor.
Thank you for taking one step at a time to plan your future with Indian River State College. Go Pioneers!